Hello, everybody. I'm Brian Roberts, and I'm going to try to learn charting. Things I have learned, I'm going to try to put them into practice and see if we can't make some money. What do I have here currently on my charts? I have an EMA ribbon, and this is the 200 moving average. Um, and that is part of the EMA ribbon. So there you have it. Now we're going to start with the daily chart. This is the BTC USD pair. This is a Bybit structure or feed, I guess I should say. Um, so this is what I'm going to start with. I'm going to color code this so that we can keep track of levels and of time frames and hopefully make it somewhat easy. So let's go to our trusty tools. These are support and resistance levels on the daily chart. We'll make purple. We're in that area, about 30,000. I don't believe we'll ever get back to that point, but let's get rid of this just so we can see what I like to call a naked chart, just to have clarification of what we're doing, not get anything confused. Got a area around 41,000, just below 41,000. I would say we would have an area about 45,000. In this general area, we have that low. I would say we would have another one. This is around 47,000, not 45,000. And the 47,000 one here is really close together, but that's the way it is sometimes. So there we have it. So we got some more supports here we need to put in. We got one around this level here, which is 51,200. Or maybe we'll just go 51,000. Just around 51,000. And then I'm going to say that the area we just bounced off of seems to be a very strong support area, which is like 53,000. So, and if you want, we can change these numbers to the exact numbers we want by going down here, clicking the the settings, the coordinates, and then we can type in here the number that we want, 53,000. This one will say should be settings. This is more like 51,000. I work in whole numbers. That's the way I like to work things. We'll say this one's 47,000. I mean that that last low we had absolutely just come within dollars of touching that. Let's go to this one. This one. Let me see where that was at. What happened to 47,000? That one. What happened to that? 47,000. I don't know. I must have hit the wrong button. This one, we'll call 45,000. We'll change that. This one's down here close to 41,000. I think that's about it. We don't really need to go much lower than that. I think it's kind of obvious where we are. If we get down to this 32,000, I'm going to have to rethink what's going on in the crypto world. But for now, let's work with that. Purple lines are the daily. Daily ones. Keep track of this. Put this on my little trusty notepad. Good thing to have when you're trading is a notepad to write things down. Purple lines daily support and resistance. And then you just stick it someplace that you're going to be able to see it. If we take the charts and we go down to a 4-hour chart, obviously the 4-hour chart is still going to have the purple lines, but it'll give us a little more definition in the with the time frames. Really, that's kind of crazy, but we really don't have a lot of other ones. We could just stick with those for now. If we went down to the 1 hour, we might get some different ones. We definitely could get a little bit closer in where we are. We're going to change this to a different color. We'll go yellow. We'll do 1 pixel, not 2. Okay, so the 1 hour is yellow. Support and resistance. Yeah, so we want to look for some local support and resistance. What could be on top of those? We need to see. There we go, right in there as well. This is, yep, there we go, 57,900 is a good support. Oops. Let's get rid of that. Thank you for being there, but that's not what we want. Settings, 57,900. Might be closer to 58,000, but obviously the top of this, call it 59,000. And there's that. So this is a little bit, we can look at some things differently here. You got this area right through here. These are some 54,500 is what we're going to put this at. That's close to what we need, and that's all we're going to do. That is we don't want to make it too complicated. Now let's look at some trend lines. Support and resistance on trend lines. We have one coming down. We are bucking up against this one right now. And price is at 54, almost 55,000. We break that trend line, this could be a good buy. Let's go over to Ethereum. Always hydrate. That's what they tell us. Hydrate. Let's get rid of the drawings. Let's go to a daily chart. Let's see what we got. We don't have a whole lot we can work with, do we? Not up at this levels. That's where we are anyway right now. This needs to be purple. You can do the bottom half of this, somewhere in that general area. Another one here. That's the new all-time high. There's just nothing as far as daily candles go that I see that I want to mark out. Let's go to the 4-hour. 4-hour. Oh, we don't have much to mark here either. Just slowly up trail. And so I guess if we're going to do a 4-hour, we can do the bottom of this. And we're going to do 4-hour. Our 1 hour is yellow. Let's see. Go 4-hour green. That's not good. That's not a good color. Blue. Red. Yeah, red, I guess. We'll do red. Okay. There we have it. Let's go down to the 1 hour chart. Let's look at this trend line. Well, Bitcoin and Ethereum both are breaking out, it looks like. And I mean, technically, you could look at this as being a triangle, it looks like. It looks like right now we're breaking out. If we want to set targets on this, we could put this down here, put this up some. We could targets. This would be up here to down here. The breakout point is here. No, not there. That was magic. And you were looking at in the neighborhood of 36,200, which, if you look at that, and we draw a trend line going up, I don't think I had the trend line on, sorry. Look at that. That one we can delete. That's not supposed to be there. On top of this trend, roughly in the neighborhood of about 3,600 for would be the target for this breakout. I would look at. So there you have it. That's Bitcoin, or that's Ethereum. Sorry, that is Ethereum. Bitcoin, has it broke out? I'm gonna assume it has. Nope, it hasn't broke that trend line yet. Ethereum definitely broke it on the. Let's make this be two panel deal. This is pretty cool. I thought I liked it. This is not. This has got to be changed to Ethereum. I was wondering why I was seeing double. Now I know. It's starting to scare me. All right. It is definitely broke out of the channel. Ethereum is running. I think I'll put me a trade in. So we'll see. We'll see what we can do. But anyway, that's all I got for you. And thanks for joining. Subscribe, like, push the bell button. I hope to do this again. And I will talk to you later. Bye.